From our roadwork file now, a heads up for motorists who frequently travel through the Kern River Canyon on Highway 178. That stretch of highway will be closed next week through the canyon for construction work. Closures will start on Sunday. Caltrans says the highway will be closed from Sunday through June 22nd from 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. each night. The department says no construction will take place on the nights of June 18th and 19th. That is the Friday and the Saturday, but the highway will still be closed. They advise motorists to drive with caution and undistracted during this period of road maintenance.